dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. If you love unique snacks, this one's going to surprise you. A golden crunchy shell shaped like a little tube filled with a flavorful filling. It looks fancy, but it's made with simple pantry ingredients. To make the dough, I'm using 1 and 1/3 cup of flour. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt and mixing it well. I added 4 teaspoons of clarified butter gradually and mixed well. The shape of this snack alone makes you curious, but the flavor is something you'll remember. Whether it's a party or a peaceful tea time, this is the kind of snack that gets all the compliments. I'll show you how to make this beautiful fish snack from scratch, step by step. If you have never seen this before, you're in for a treat. Once it resembles breadcrumb consistency, add water gradually. Need to form a smooth dough. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. I'm using these sticks to make the shells. I'm making the shells of 2 inches lengthwise. Now I'm greasing the sticks with clarified butter. After greasing the sticks, place them in a bowl. I greased all the sticks. To prepare the filling, in a bowl add 130 grams of tuna chunks. After draining the oil, this is the drained weight. Mash the chunks using a fork. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or add as per your taste. Mix well. Add 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Add 1 green chili finely chopped. Add some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well. Add 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix well. You can taste the filling and add more salt or black pepper powder if required. The delicious filling is ready, keep it aside. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Cover one portion with the cloth and keep aside. Knead the other portion slightly. Sprinkle little flour on it and roll the dough. This is the thickness of the dough. To make the shells, I need rectangular strips. I am cutting the extra portions of the dough and keeping it covered under a cloth. I am cutting the strips into 2 inches. Now I'm placing the stick on the strip and I'm cutting a little extra of the strip to seal it. Apply water and seal it as shown. Press properly to seal it well. Now comes the interesting part, how to make the spikes. To make the spikes, use a scissor and cut like this. Look at how beautiful it looks. Follow the same steps until the dough is over to make rest of the spiky shells. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the spiky shells. After frying with the help of a cloth, gently push the spiky shells out of the stick into a bowl. Once cooled, place them in an airtight container. Out of the same dough, I made one cone. Just before eating, fill the spiky shells with the delicious filling. This unique fish snack is crunchy and savory. It just melts in your mouth. This unique snack is perfect for parties, evening snacks, or just when you want to impress someone with something different. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.